Take command of the road in the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, heated seats, a trailer hitch, and more. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.